Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite with your Android phone. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click pair new device and after that open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see it at the device list, like right here I have it. But we can also enter to pairing mode manually. On the front side, right here we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light starts flashing. Here we go, and we just enter to pairing mode manually, so you will also see it at the device list. Now just tap on it and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!